Hello, my name is Joshua Garay, and welcome to the tip of the day. Today I want to speak to you about the art of a 1031 exchange. As someone that does a lot of 1031 transactions with various buyers and sellers, it's imperative that you don't wait past 45 days, even past 30 days, or past really 15 days in order to identify your replacement property. It's critical to be on top of the process from the very beginning, way before you even relinquish your original property. This way, you're able to identify various properties that not only you want to purchase, but are still available that you can sign and go into contract with before the buyer actually completes his original 1031 transaction on the relinquishing side. This is one of the most important things that you can do. It is critical to make sure that you start the process early, lock down a property, not only identify it on a list, but have a contract signed. You can even make it contingent upon your 1031 exchange transaction, but identifying is simply not enough. You have to lock it down. This is one of the most important keys in the art of the 1031 exchange. For more information, please feel free to contact me or go to my website, www.garayrealestate.com. I look forward to hearing from you and answering any questions that you may have.